So, hey, what's up everyone? This is your Queen Salise, and welcome back to my channel. So guys, for today's vlog or for today's video is meron akong gagawin na makeup look. It is a street walk, street makeup look, ganon. Streetwear, ganyan. Makeup look. So, ganon. Basta street makeup look, ganon. And gagawin ko siya kasi sa Facebook for Reels. Kaya magbi-behind the scene tayo. So, dyan ko kayo ilalagay. Habang ito yung phone ko. Dito ako magme-makeup. So, dyan lang kayo at manood. And, yeah, I'm going to start here na. Start na tayo with our foundation. Ito ba nakuha kong foundation brush? Yeah. Okay, so after foundation, guys, may ako na i-blend. So next, guys, is concealer tayo. So after foundation, mag-contour tayo. So lalagay ko siya dito. And next natin ang cream blush, guys. After cream blush, guys, ay i-bake ko lang yung mga lalagyan ko ng powder. Ay, lalagyan ko lang ng powder yung mga cream na yan. Usually mag-powder blush ako, mag-powder contour ako, pero dahil buburahin ko din naman ito mamaya. Eyeshadow. Okay, lip liner tayo guys. Kita nyo ba dyan? Masyado kasi maliwanag dyan sa DJI eh. So, here's my final look, guys. So, ewan ko kung malinaw eh. Kung makikita nyo kasi masyado maliwanag dito. So, ayan. Make-upan lang tayo. Kasi may gagawin din tayo ngayon. Mag-unbox tayo. So, mag-unbox tayo, guys. Itong French Avenue. Ayan. Pinadala nila to kahapon. And ngayon lang natin binuksan. Ayan, si French Avenue ay isang, what do you call this? Isa siyang perfume brand dito. So, meron silang meron silang pinadala na dalawa. Ito yung Street Origin Discovery Set. So, this is a set of lahat ng fragrance ng Discovery. So, ito yon. Bango lahat. Okay, and syempre, meron din silang, kasi ito yung pinapromote nila. Kapag bumili kayo nito guys, and then aamuyin nyo kung ano yung magugustuhan nyo, pwede nyong i-redeem ng isang 100 ml bottle, yung ipinambili nyo nito. So, okay. And this one, we have Nectar Extra Dose. Ayan, from French Avenue. Okay, so what are you waiting for? Let's open na this one. Help me to unbox this perfume set from French Avenue. So, itong Street Origin Discovery Set, guys, ay merong 10 cities, 12 personalities, and 0 apologies. So, meron silang top, middle, base. Ayan. Ang notes ay merong rose, matte, saffron, orange, lemon, jasmine, strawberry, lily, mango, vanilla, woody. Okay. So, meron silang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 sets of perfumes. Bango. Okay, so, ang kanila kasi guys, di bibilhin nyo to. Meron silang risk-free campaign na tinatawag. At kapag bumili kayo nito, kung ano yung magugustuhan yung scent, pwede nyong i-redeem doon sa full bottle. Okay? And then, yon. Meron din silang pinadala na ito, Nectar. Ito yung bagong labas din eh. So, pinopromote pala nila yung Street Origin, guys. Ang target market nila is mga Gen Zs. Okay, so, ito yung isang Nectar Extra Dose. Ay, ganito pala ito yung na-open. Yan. Ganda ng packaging, guys. Oh. Alam mo yung packaging pa lang, hindi mo na... Oh, wow! Ganda! Grabe. Parang honey talaga siya, guys. Diba? Yung bango niya. Naamoy mo talaga yung honey. Grabe, ang ganda ng bottle itself. Yung box pa nga lang, panalo na eh. Tsaka, grabe, ganda. Anyway, so yeah, dito ko natatapusin tong vlog na to guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. And hope you like it. And if you want guys, kung nandito kayo sa UAE, just straight to street.co to check this Street Origin perfumes from French Avenue guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye! Mwah!